Now, to install the eGit plugin, firstly we need to start up the Topaz Workbench IDE. Now we go to Help and Install New Software. First of all, we need to make this panel full size. Now we choose the URL to download and install the eGit plugin from, which is this one here, the releases.latest from an HTTPS site. And now we need to find within that site the Git plugin. So in the filter, type in Git, and then from the options you have there, you choose the Git integration for Eclipse. That's the only one we need. You can use these options below at the settings you see here and click Next. And you will see the Git integrations for Eclipse and these components below it. We'll need all of those. So at this point we can click Next again, accept the license agreement and click Finish. Accept the certificates that are shown here. And at the end of the install, we will need to restart Topaz Workbench. So click Restart now. Wait for Workbench to restart. Once you've restarted it, you will now find that you have a number of additional views that you can use to help you create local repositories, stage projects in and out of those repositories, and also create links into remote repositories such as GitHub. So if we go to Window, Show View and Other, go to where it's got Git. There we are, there's the entry for Git. You'll see a number of views available. The two I recommend to be used initially are the Git Repositories View and the Git Staging View. So highlight those two and OK them. Move the Repositories View over here. Here you will be able to list out all the repositories that you currently have created, that's local repositories, and you will also be able to list out on the Git Staging View any changes that are available to be staged into a local repository, and will allow you to actually commit that to a local repository or to commit it and then push it to a remote. Now we'll be going through how you use these views in a later video, but one more thing you can use when configuring your Topaz Workbench environment to use Git repositories is to add the toolbar icons and the toolbar menu option. Sorry, the Git menu toolbar option. To obtain that, click on Window, Customize Perspective, click on Command Groups Availability, and choose Git. OK that. And here you will now see a series of toolbar icons that can help you use the Git capabilities and a Git menu again with various different options. This concludes this initial video on how to install the eGit Eclipse plugin and what additional views and toolbar options that plugin gives you. Thank you for listening.